Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how we can easily open an account with Oanda. So this is a tutorial how we can open a live account, and of course guys, there is going to be a link down below in the description, and maybe you will get a bonus if you're going to register with the link down below in the description based on what promotion Oanda has. So right now click here CRCFD markets and then click here create account. So when you're going to be here, you want to click here, let's get started. Do you live in the United Kingdom? Yes. Important documents to read before you apply, all of these. If you're going to choose no, you're going to choose the country right here. Then you would press confirm and continue. And what you have to do is just simply add an username, address, and everything. So I'll simply add a username. Then I'm going to add email address and password. And then by clicking continue, I will confirm that, confirm and continue. Okay, and let's just wait until it loads. And then you can have the personal details. So I'll add Marcus, Stanelius, middle name, don't have date of birth. So you'll just fill everything here. Phone number. Okay. So you have to add a phone number and then we're going to continue. National insurance number. And nationality. So you're going to choose the nationality here. And then are you a tax residents in other country? If so, you would have it. And then you press confirm and continue. Then you're going to have your address here. So you have to fill everything what you see. Okay, and we got it. And then press confirm and continue. So when you're going to fill it out, you're going to have the employment. So you have to choose if you're self-employed, retired student, or unemployed or employed. So I'll go self-employed, in which industry you're in right now. And we can simply go, let's say education, annual income, 15 to 30,000, saving investment, and source of trading funds, like from where you're going to have your funds. And you would fill it here and add, let's say, employment income. Then you would hit confirm. And then you're going to have number of CFD experience. So let's say I get 5. Or number of CFD trades, I go like 5. FX experience. And you would just like fill it out how much experience you actually have. And then you would press confirm and continue. Knowledge assessment is that forex trading currency pairs. If you buy the currency pair, what are you doing? And now you just have to fill all these questions. So I'm not going to like look on which answers you should add because you need to know those answers. Okay, and when you have it and when you would fill the knowledge assessment, you would press confirm. And then you're just gonna wait until they're gonna save the data. And then now you will return to application here based on how many like if you're gonna have your account or no. and then you have to verify your details. So to trade those CFD, you actually need to understand the CFD. I just clicked on it through it so you can see. And then when you have everything, confirm and continue. And then what you need to do is simply add a driver's license, a passport, a photo ID, and you need to upload those. So you can like upload ID front and upload ID back. And then when you're gonna upload your ID or passport, driver license, and you need to retake the photo if it's going to be wrong, right? So give me a second, I will just simply upload it right here. Because I already have account, so yeah. So wait a second, I will take passport here. Choose a file. And that's how we do it, right? And then you can press confirm and continue, and you're pretty much it. So that's pretty much it how we do it. Now, if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. Right now, I have account, so I can really like add here, but this is pretty much it how we do it. So thank you and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.